Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Megan and I'm a clerk at the Sherburne Public Library. Today, in honor of Earth Day, we're going to be making a no-sew tote bag out of a recycled t-shirt. Now kids, if you are going to make this, make sure you check with your parents before you cut anything. Make sure that they're okay with you using an old recycled t-shirt that you have. And you might need some help from them with this one. So all we're going to need today is an old t-shirt and a pair of scissors. That's it. So what we need to do for this is you need to cut off the collar of your t-shirt, and then you also need to cut off both sleeves past the seam. So you want to get rid of that seam there. So cut off your collar, both sides, cut off both sleeves. Just like this. Go past the seam. Okay. So then you would have both sleeves cut off and your collar. Then you need to go to the bottom of your t-shirt and you need to cut off the hem at the bottom all the way across both sides. I've already done that here. So the hem at the bottom is gone. Then you're going to go to the bottom after you've cut off the seam, and you're going to go straight across. You're going to cut strips straight across your t-shirt. You're going to cut a few inches down, and you want to cut through the front and the back of the t-shirt. Let me show you an example. Here's the end of my t-shirt. So take the front and the back, hold them together, cut a few inches down. So now I've got a strip on the front and a strip on the back that I've cut. And you're going to do that all the way across the t-shirt. Now once you've done that, all the way across the t-shirt, cutting down a few inches all the way across, you're going to take your strips, take one from the front and one from the back, and you're going to tie them together in a double knot, not too tight, just like that. Okay, so again, cutting off the hem, cutting strips all the way down, and then tying the front and the back strip together. Now, I have one that I've already finished over here. Okay, here is the collar cut off, so that's going to be the top of your bag. There's the collar cut off. There's the sleeve cut off, both sides. I did the sleeves. Then I cut off the bottom hem, cut the strips all the way across, and now I've tied them all the way across. See that? If you find that there's a place where there's a little bit of a hole between the two knots that you've tied, take one knot, take the back strip, take the next knot over, take the front strip, tie those together. It'll close the hole for you. Double knot again, just like that. So now that hole's gone. So, just like this. Once you've tied all the way across, both strips together, then your bag is done. So, the sleeves that you cut off are actually the handles. By the way, this is fun if you have like an old tie-dye t-shirt or a t-shirt with a cool picture like this one. So here's my sleeves, they're the handles, and then where the collar was, that's the top of your bag. Here's the bottom with the fringe. I kind of like the fringe, but if you don't like the fringe, you can turn your t-shirt inside out before you start, and then once you're done tying at the bottom, you could just turn it right side out, and then you wouldn't see the fringe. It would still be tied together, of course, but there's no fringe at the bottom, so it would just look like that. There's your tote bag. I hope you have fun making this. If you do make it, please share it with us on our Facebook page, Sherburne Public Library, or on our Instagram, which is also Sherburne Public Library, using the hashtag Sherburne Public Library. Have a great day, everyone.